In this video, I will show you how to sort by column in a data table in Power BI. So let's get started. So I have a date table that has the date column and the quantity column. So let's go to our table view. So in the table view, you can see we have the date column and the quantity column. So to get started, the first thing I will do is that I want to create the month number column, the month name column, the day of week column, and the day of week number column, making 4 columns. So the first thing to do is to click on the new column, and my first column will be named the month number column. And to do that, I'm going to throw in the month function as pre-built in Power BI. I'm going to select my table name and my date column for that. So once I do that, then I'm going to select the dot date. So once I click the enter, you can see now I have my month from 1 to 12, where 1 denotes January and 12 denotes December and 2 denotes February. So the next thing for us to do is that let's click on the new column again, and let's create the month name. So I'm going to name this to be my month name. And since this is the month name, I'm going to use a format functions because I would like to display just the 3 characters of each month in a year. So I will do format, then I'll select my date table and the date column. I'll do OK. Then I will do comma. I will open a double quote and I'll do MM and close the quote. So these 3 M's is for the first 3 characters for each of the months in a year. I'm going to close with a bracket. I'm going to go to hit enter. So now we have February, January, March, April, May, all through December. And you can see that the month number 12 is associated to December, and 8 to August, 1 to January, and 2 to February. So the next thing to do is to create the day of week column. So let's click on the new column icon here, and let's name that to be our day of week. So to do that, I'm going to throw in the format function, and I'm going to select our date table and our date column. I'll press the tab. I'm going to do comma, and I'm going to open the double quotes. I'm going to do DD because I just want to set the first 3 characters for each of the day of week. Then I'm going to close it up, and I'm going to hit enter. So now I have Monday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday, Wednesday. So the next column for us to create is the day of week number. So I'm going to click on the new column here, and I'm going to name this to be my day of week number. And there is a function in Power BI known as the weekday. So I'm going to throw in the weekday function, and I'm going to select my table, which is the date, and the column, which is the date. I'm going to press tab and close it up. Hit the enter button, and that's going to give us the day of from 1 to 7, where 1 is Sunday and 7 is Saturday, Monday is 2, Friday is 6, Monday is 2, Wednesday is 4. So once this has been done, let's go to our report view to build our visual. So I'm going to throw in, click on the new visual, and by default, this just pop up like probably like a bar chart. So I'm just going to select my quantity, and I'm going to select my month name. So if you take a look at this, you can see that this month name by quantity or quantity by month name is not in a chronological order. We have December, November, October. It's supposed to start from January, February, all through December. So to do that, we want to sort chronologically. This chart has been selected. You need to make sure that the chart you want to sort by is selected, and go to your table view. And what we are trying to sort is what? Is the month name. We're going to select the month name, and we're going to come here. You can see by default the column 2 has been selected. So come to the sort by column. And once you click on this, and you have to sort by what? Sort by month number. So you have to click on sort by month number. And let's go back to our report view. So once we get back to our report, we can see that this is still selected. All what we just need to do is that uncheck this month name and check it back. You can see it has been sorted. You can see it now. We have from January, February, all through December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So this is a very simple way to sort by column in Power BI using month number to sort on the month name. So let's go for the day of week, how to sort using the day of week number. Sort week, day of week using the day of week number. So let's click on the new visual as well. Let's click on the quantity and let's click on the day of week. You can see this is also not in a chronological order. We have Wednesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday, Saturday, Tuesday, Saturday rather. So the next, actually, based on what we have here, our 1 is what? The Sunday. Our 2 is Monday. So chronologically, it's supposed to start from 1. So to achieve that, let's go back to our report view. The chart has been selected. So let's go to table view. And we want to sort the day of week chronologically. So select the day of week and come to your sort by column. Also, you can see by default, the column 2 has been pre-selected. And afterwards, we select the day of week. So the next thing for us to do is that we want to sort the day of week to be in a chronological order, starting from Sunday and end at Saturday. So we'll come to our sort by column and let's sort by day of week number. So we're going to click that. When that has been done, let's go back to our report view. So once we get to our report view, you can see the chart is still selected, right? So let's uncheck the day of week and let's check it back. You can see now that we have from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So this is a very simple way on how to sort by column in Power BI. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.